Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Let's just have a quick look at the Austral lock made by Allegiance, who also are the same people who own Gainsborough. SD7 Murray Black. Part number SD7/BLST. Just have a look and see what's in the box. So this is a sliding glass door lock you would commonly see on a balcony. There is an accessory for this which is called a fat pack, and it just basically means that it's on a thicker door. So here we have a turn snib, and it looks like it's connected, so you would snap it off. In here as well you have one, I think it's M4 screw, about 45mm long. That will be for your cylinder. We also have two other screws here, probably about 35-38mm long. They would be for your handles. We have some small little screws here with wood threads. They would be for your lock body and for your striker plate. There's your striker plate there, that goes on the frame, and your lock body. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so let's just release this if we can. Put the handle on, pull that down. So there's our striker plate there with the elongated holes. So when you do fit this to the frame, you would aim for the screw holes to be in the center, and then you can move it up and down as you wish to get it exactly perfect. That's your striker plate. That would be secured on with the two